So it's Gareth and Janet getting off the Sapphire Princess in Ushuaia, Argentina, way down in the southern tip. And there's a couple small exploration type cruise ships here. We're of course on the giant Sapphire Princess, and that's Ushuaia. And it's a little mountain town nestled between snow-capped peaks and the ocean, the Beagle Channel to be exact. Now this is near the end of their summer. If you live in the northern hemisphere, think middle of September. And we've got a bus in front of us. What do we want to do? That's not a bus, it's a fuel tank or something. But if you look way out there, you can see there's snow-capped mountains all around. This is the end of the Andes, you might say, I guess. So we're going to walk into town. We have a tour later in about an hour, so we're just going to walk around for an hour and then get back on the ship and then get back off. We're going to walk through a forest. Ship's right there. It's a pretty good sized walk from it. There's where we are. Oh, slippery. I guess they're going to x-ray, but not yet, because these people are getting back on. Doot, 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 doot. Oh. They walked through it too. Some historical pictures. And the way off the pier. Everything's wet. I'm guessing it rained. Doesn't look like we're gonna get any rain today though.
Tomorrow's 100% chance.
That's what Janet says. Bathrooms, in case you need. I'm guessing they're free. They have these port maps showing you where you might go and a shrine and a monument and another port map, the same thing. So I'm guessing these are little stores. Yep, I see chips and stuff in there. Souvenirs, sodas, lots of penguins, and they open at 11:30, I guess. Wow, look at all that stuff. So if you collect ceramic penguins or other animals, that's your store maybe. There's a whole bunch of them. Like I said before, these are also tourist offices, I believe, you know, where you can book a tour. Travel and film logistics. Helicopter. The building, and then there's the tour people. The tour people that can't be on the dock, I guess. And we're in town. Reminds me of Alaska. Although no particular town in Alaska, just the cold, the mountains, the snow. So Port Williams is near here, and there's been a whole bunch of these little booths or whatever, and of course there's people here from 3 different ships. And then I think we're going to be out of it and into town, and then we're going to have to figure out how to cross the road. So lots of opportunity for private tours. And then a traffic signal. There's a big white monument there. double-decker city tour bus. There's no button to push, so we just wait, I guess. More monuments. This town has a lot of monuments. Evita. Here's an end-of-the-world restaurant. Oh, look, a big barbecue. I don't believe they're open yet. There's the ship. That's Janet. And she's deciding which way to go. So I guess this is Juan Perón and Eva Perón, Evita, right? People love them. Those are covered up over there for some reason. Well, this is the whole Evita park, I guess. Watch out for broken glass. Double-decker tour buses and a little ticket booth there. See that? A little like kiosk. I'll find out later how much the tickets are. Well, this guy's selling tickets, I think, to a train. This is some sort of garden, park. City tour, $10. I'm guessing that's US. I don't know. You should know that this was founded as a penal colony, I believe. But anyway, the diesel locomotive bus. And there's a map of what it does. It's about an hour ride. I see another busway up there. And some indecision. Canal is channel. So Beagle Channel Hotel and Spa right here. And free stores. Not sure what that means, but it doesn't look open yet. I'm guessing things don't open until later around here. Chocolates. It's a little after 9 in the morning. This says Escuela number 1, so I'm guessing number 1 school. I mean, that's Escuela where I come from. Big gas station and a big chicken. Here's a bar, bistro, and vinoteca. Bienvenidos. Oh, I got food in there. Prices, so that's Argentine pesos, which I think are about 40 to the dollar. Although, obviously it fluctuates. And then this is macro. This is a wood building. A covered walkway. It's Santos Cerveza. Burgers and sandwiches, craft beer, drinks. Silky dealer with the brand new Renault Alaskan pickup. And birds. And that looks like a restaurant out there.
You want to walk along the water or anything? It doesn't seem like there's really anything to see here.
And children's garden. I think it's what that means. The clock has the right time. Look up there. Yeah, those wires are in the way. Huh. You know, the ocean front there. We decided to go up a block. And there's a whole bunch of stores up here. Yeah, nothing opens this early, I guess. There's even a pharmacia. And Cafe Martinez. Cafe Martinez there. The Lids store is there. Whatever that is. Lots of little shops. Nothing open. And then this church. I think it's a church. Again, watch where you walk. That's typical of any city though, right? Which will you want? Natural foods, Scandinavian outdoor shop. We're not going in there, are we?
Not
Open now.
And looking through the window, really don't see much. So there was the church. We decided to walk back down to the waterfront and back to the ship and get ready for our tour. Oh, that looks like another church right there. And a statue. So I'm thinking this is going to be a park, a plaza. And look at that building over there. So up on top is like a metal cutout of Eva Peron, Evita. I think this is a museum. Not sure. I'll find out though, won't I? We're gonna cross the street here with a red, blue, and white circle on the front of it. Is a giant building. I'd guess it's a stadium, but it's big. But look how picturesque this is. And I'm going to be aiming at the sun here in just a moment. There's our ship, Sapphire Princess. So we've got this old boat here.
Argentina.
So, and then there's the ship. Got some seating here for you so you can gaze out upon that almost sunk boat. There's Jeremy Button. Been walking along the waterfront and came to this building. The ship, I think, is parked right around here. Ah, there it is. So we need to go through that building, I think, or at least near it. Oh, maybe we need to go on the other side, huh? 2023. So, way back is somewhere over here. How about right here? That was our quick trip into Ushuaia in southern Argentina. Look at the scenery back there. Do you have something to say, Janet?
It was a cute little town, but nothing's open.
With a cute little girl. And nothing open yet. Although when we came back, the gift shop right there was open, right on the dock. So, from Ushuaia.
This is Janet
And Gareth.
saying, see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.